Alright, so today instead of weighted squats, I chose to do pistol squats because I don't have enough weight like um to consistently progress my squats. So I decided to choose a variation and work towards it, which is the pistol squat. My goal is to do weighted pistol squats. So yeah. I also have a hypertrophy leg day on Saturday since I hurt my tricep, so um I'm I do leg day 3 days a week just until my tricep completely heals and allows me to do push-ups and dips and pull-ups again. But I'm thinking of going back and doing upper body again, but with lower volume and lower intensity. Today was pretty good. Um, I got 4 reps on my pistol squat on my first set, two, and then one on my second. I mean, yeah, on my second and my third. So, yeah, that I every set, I guess the reps get cut in half. Also, at the end of the workout, I tried to do some assisted sissy squats, but my knees just couldn't handle that after the pistol squat. So my goal for like when I get back to upper body training, I used to do high rep, high volume, but it's it's good, but I don't. It takes my workouts take way too long, so um, even though time isn't much of a problem for me, it's I mean, it's a good training type of training, but my goal changes. So like I want to get stronger, right? One arm push-ups, and then eventually doing that for high reps. Cause since I'm fighting, I'm kind of a fighter. It'll help me. Of course, I can't say because I'm not training yet, and I can't start training until my tricep allows me to. I can't go straight into one arm push up training with uh, all battered up tricep and then it gets torn again and I can't train for, or not torn, it gets hurt again and then I can't train for another few weeks to months. I don't know what made this workout take so long. After like after lowering the reps on the squats, even then it actually take longer than my workout before. Maybe because I added the Bulgarian split squats and the calf raises that made it longer. Cause I normally don't, or I try to stop doing calf raises because you know my calf inserts are much higher, so like I have smaller calves, but my longer tendon in my calf, so it's more my calves are more for jumping and like plyometric work than like hypertrophy stuff and like showing off. And yeah, I have nothing else to say. I didn't finish my taekwondo book. It's in the description. uh, get it if you want. It'll help me a ton. um, if you want to support me in my journey to strength, and if you can't or if you don't want to, at least subscribe and like